Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share for you. I am in a swap on the Trash to Treasures swap group, and we are doing Memorydex cards. So we were to swap 3 Memorydex cards, and it was our partner's favorite colors or color. So my partner's favorite colors were turquoise and black. So I went into my stash. I found this DCWV all dressed up stack that I picked up at Joann's several years ago. I don't know if this is still available. If it is, I will find a link for it down below. But it is a beautiful stack. It has lots of glitter and just like jewel tone colors along with like pink and white. So it's just beautiful. So I picked these papers. I used my Cricut to cut them out, and I will put the link for the file down below. It is on, I believe, Lollapalooza's website. So I picked 3 pieces of the paper in the card stack, and I alternated them on the front and the back. So I used this sheet here that has the border and the polka dots and this like filigree pattern. And then there was one where it was just all of this pattern with the filigree. I used that border and that on the back. And then this piece was just the turquoise with the black flowers on it. And then I used that filigree pattern on the back. So on here, I used some trim I had in my stash. It's like a rhinestone trim. And then I tied it up with some ribbon that has like a white stitch through the middle. And then this really pretty turquoise ribbon. I added a little border, a glitter squiggly border. That was some sticker borders that I had in my stash. And then I made a little rosette with this black and white polka dot cupcake liner and added a little dot from, this was enamel dots from the Dollar Tree. So that's what I did there. And then on this one, I lined it with some glitter rhinestone here that I had received in a swap. Tied it up with this turquoise and white polka dot ribbon. I used this little black frame here, stamped laugh in there, and then up here I just layered a couple of silk flowers and put a rhinestone on the top. And then the last one, I added more of this rhinestone trim there, and then this turquoise rhinestone trim, one of these squiggly glitter stickers, and then this zebra print flower that I received in a swap. And then I stamped this flower here, cut it out, layered it onto a black circle, added a turquoise rhinestone, and then just glued it on there. And then I tied it up with some satin ribbon there. So just real quick, wanted to show you those. Hope you like them. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.